Hello CEO of Hamster Miners. As you know, Hamster Airdrop is opening soon, so don't miss any opportunity. So here is today's cipher code for Hamster Combat. The work is Funk, and the code showing on screen, so follow the steps and get 1 million free coins. If you have questions, so comment us down below. Our team reply you soon. Thank you.